Oh, Tony with a...
Tony, you're hot hand today.
Tony with a big smallmouth on. Let me go over the side. I'll net him over here. Big North Branch smallmouth. They're mad. Beautiful smallmouth.
Yeah.
Here we go. Nice fish. Tony with a nice one under the boat while Harry's stuck.
No, I'm good.
Okay, both good. Oh, nice fish, Tony. Here goes some net action.
Wow.
Give him a lift. Tony with another North Branch smallmouth on. That's enough. Right to me.
Awesome day on Susquehanna River. Thanks, brother.
Good job. Tony's tearing them up today. Another fish on. Right behind the boat's the hot spot, he says. Nice quality Susquehanna smallmouth. Harry with a good Susquehanna smallmouth on. Don't see him yet. Here he is. Ooh, nice fish. Come here.
Yeah, nice fish.
Nice fish.
Yeah, this one's
Beautiful Susquehanna bass.
nice.
Caught by Harry. Tony with a nice Susquehanna smallmouth on. Nice pretty fish on the spot baits. One more time. In the net. Beautiful fish. Woo. Tony just set the hook on a nice one. Looks like he's got it out there about good ways. Oh, let go. We got a double header on. Tony's gonna flip his in now. Tony's got his in the boat on the spot bait. Harry's still working his in. See who got the bigger one. Oh, it looks like Harry's might be a little bigger. Hold him, Tony. Harry's gonna flip him right to me. Beautiful Susquehanna smallmouth. Quick double pitcher. Beautiful. We'll let them go. Throw back. Good job. Tony with a nice Susquehanna smallmouth on. Using an on-the-spot swim bait. Don't even see the bait. Hook band, it's right there.
Such a light hit, I didn't feel it.
On the spot swim bait, Susquehanna smallmouth. First cast, Tony with another nice smallmouth on. Hold him up, Tony. Nice fish in the boat. Harry with a Tackle HD crawfish on. North Branch smallmouth, Tackle HD. Harry with a nice smallmouth on. In the boat. Go ahead and smallmouth on. Real nice fish. Real nice fish. Flip him right to me. Right to me. Beautiful Susquehanna smallmouth. Nice. Harry with a nice North Branch smallmouth out.